Y'all ready? Let's go, y'all ready? Let's go. Hey, my connectors, welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, hit subscribe, join the family. If you like the food, it's the place to be. You come and have a little fun with your girl, KC.
What's up, my connectors, and welcome back to the channel. So today I have some rice, lobster tails. I have 2 lobster tails, broccoli. I have some sauce here and some water to drink. So if you're new to the channel, if you could please hit your subscribe button and your notification bell so you'll be notified when a new video is uploaded. Don't forget to share, like, and leave me a comment. I truly appreciate it. Oh, and I have some green onion, y'all. So we're gonna jump right in. I was taking a thumbnail, so that's why it's already sauce on the rice. Let me open it up. Oh, it is hot. Mm. Mm. You see the steam? Let me get this lobster tail. This is the one I already dipped in sauce. Woohoo! So I should have took the thumbnail like this, huh? Mm. Mm-mm. I don't even think I spoke. Hey, y'all. Yeah, I don't think I spoke. Mm. I was gonna do the the cucumbers, and my cucumbers are too soft. And the sausage, I don't know why, but the smell of the sausage, I didn't want it. I don't know why I couldn't do the sausage. Put some on here. Woo. And here's lemon. I put lemon juice in this sauce. And broccoli, perfect. We gotta be crunchy. And I don't even need any seasoning on the broccoli, just the broccoli. No salt. And if you need seasoning on it, just dip it in your sauce. Mm. Thank y'all for watching the video yesterday. I really, really appreciate it. Get my other lobster tail. Mm. Mm, 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 mm. Soup. I got so much stuff to catch up on this weekend. I don't know why this week went by so fast. Wow. You right. But even so, it still went by really fast. I don't know, maybe it's just me. Whew. I gotta eat all my broccoli. Get all your vegetables in. Get them in, get them in. Mm, 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 mm. I bet y'all say, hey. We here. We here, girl. Mm. I like meals like this. Last piece. Mm, 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 mm. I gotta sneeze. There's pepper in my nose. This should have been an ASMR. I agree. That's it. That's all. Woo. What is that? Oh. That was perfect. That was all I needed. Woo. That's it, y'all. Full. So thank y'all so much for joining me. I really do appreciate it. Much love, peace, and blessings to each and every one of you. And until the next video, continue making connections with endless possibilities. I love y'all. Bye, y'all.